All right, so here we are looking at PlusPortals from the student point of view. So when you log into PlusPortals, this is what it should look like for you. It'll have your picture, your name, and some of this basic information up here. If you have this little icon, it means that there are unread messages. Those can come from a few different places. And it may be coming directly from teachers, but those messages should also be going directly to your email address or your Nora email address. So usually those will be duplicates, but occasionally we'll send things through our system and it goes both to your PlusPortals and to your email. So on your first homepage, what you'll be able to see is quarter by quarter your progress report. So you should be able to see your average grade in that class, and it's at that moment. If you wanted to go back to previous semesters, you could also see your grades for those quarters as well. But this is going to give you a snapshot for the current quarter of where you are right now. You'll also be able to see your recent scores. So these are assignments that have been recently graded, and you'll be able to kind of check and see how you're doing. Typically, if you have not completed an assignment, the grade will be a 0 out of the total possible points. So that's a really good way to check and make sure you've completed all of your work. So there's a couple ways that you can get to class pages. The first of which is just to click on that class, either the title, the average, or the grade. It'll all send you to the same place, which is the classroom. And so from here, you'll have your basic class page. This is going to have the class summary. If you continue scrolling down, you'll also see links that your teacher might put up. And also different files. So that might be worksheets, PowerPoints, other documents that they would have for you. So if they're directing you to PlusPortals and they say the files are here, you'll be able to scroll down to files and see that. If you're looking for your grades for a specific class, you're going to go to performance. So under performance, you'll be able to see the category averages, and every class may have different categories. And then you're also going to see your individual grades for these individual assignments in addition to what category they're in and the due date. So this is how you can check up and see how you're doing, and more importantly, see if you are missing any work or to get any grades back on any tests or quizzes. And that's really what you want to be thinking about, is making sure you've done all of your work. The progress reports are not something we use at Nora. Neither is the lesson plan category. And to switch between classrooms, you can just simply use this drop-down menu and you'll see the different classrooms being set up. Another way, so we said that you could just click on one of these links. You can also go directly to the classroom page. And so that will give you the information there. On this next drop-down menu, you may be able to see any upcoming coursework. Now, we're recording this in the summer, so there is nothing upcoming, but you would be able to see if something, let's say, was due next week and your teacher has already put it into PlusPortals, you would be able to see where it is. You'd be able to see that as an upcoming assignment. You can also see it as an upcoming assignment in the calendar view. So there's the home page, and then we have our calendar view. And so if I were to go back into May for this student, we'd be able to see the different assignments that have been put up for that particular student that week. So we have different assignments that are put up by the teachers, and that's a way that you can see specifically what's going on. If you hover over any of the days, you'll be able to see specifically what that assignment is. So on any given day, you can use the calendar view to see what work you have coming up. And those are the main functions of your PlusPortals.